looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse that's been completely remodeled in a 55-plus active adult community, welcome to 22923 Nadine in New Horizons. My name is Larry Watson with Larry Watson Homes at RE/MAX, and I want to show you this property. Come on in, let's take a look around. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. This home is located at 22923 Nadine Circle, Unit A, Torrance 90505. This home is located in the 55-plus active adult community of New Horizons in Torrance, which includes golfing, community room, pool, billiards room, and tons of other activities. For more information or a private tour, send me a message or comment below. And remember, strategy matters, experience matters, but you matter most. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.